Vlogmas video is a festive night routine which is super cozy and super lush. So I really hope that you guys enjoy it. If you guys want to carry on watching, grab your hot drink, whatever you're having, and let's get into the video. So as you guys can see, I start off by just finishing off some work. I'm currently working from home because of the current situation, which I'm not going to mention, which all of us already know, but I'm currently working from home. So I was just finishing off the work that I had to do before, getting myself nice and relaxed for the evening, which is what I tend to do. Once that is done, I like to light up all the lights in the house, including the Christmas tree, creating a cozy ambiance for myself, guys, because after dealing with work, especially around Christmas period, I just need to make sure that I light up all the candles and just create a cozy atmosphere for myself and for my mind. Then literally once I finish with that, light up my candles. I like to put some Christmas music in the background because it's just super nice, and it is Christmas, guys, literally in a few days, so we need to get into that mood. So that's what I'm literally playing. I'm just playing a jazz playlist because it's absolutely beautiful to listen to, especially at the end of the night. That's finished, I like to go and have a bath or a shower. On this particular day I was having a bath, and as you guys can see, I have a nice glass of chilled red wine, perfect bubbles, and just creates the perfect little touch, especially for a pamper bath like what I'm having here. Then after that, I like to light up a candle. Of course, I'm lighting up this candle from H&M Home, and this is the Winter's Eve. It absolutely smells divine and smells like Christmas. It's just got the perfect little spice notes to it. It just creates such a lovely fragrance in the bathroom. So I really love that, and that just helps me to de-stress. So guys, to add to my bath, I'm adding the bath balm from Lush Cosmetics. I absolutely love bath balms, and this one is all about the festive vibes, and it is called Jingle Bells, and it smells absolutely lush, literally. So I'm adding that to the bath and then getting in. Then I literally just hop into the bath and just start to soak my body. Whilst I'm soaking and relaxing, I like to watch a YouTube channel because it just helps me to relax my mind. After that, I get out of the bath and then literally get dressed and put on my cream and get into my pajamas, as you guys can see, which I have laid out on the bed. Then I like to do a little bit of skincare, some light skincare routine, and I love using this Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Serum, and also I like to use the main face serum as well. These are like perfect products to add to your night skincare routine, and I've absolutely been enjoying them. Not sponsored whatsoever. I just love the product, and I just think they're so perfect for my skin, especially now when it's really cold. So I like to get that in and then move on to moisturizing my braids. I just like to spray them with this spray called Sulfur 8, and it just helps with itchiness and just helps to moisturize your scalp whilst you've got braids on, so I like to do that. Then last but not least, I like to go in with a little bit of some perfume and spray myself so I can smell nice and good before going to have some dinner. For dinner on this particular day, we were having lasagna and some chips, and it was just such a perfect dinner to have, especially when it's cold. You just want comforting food sometimes, so we really enjoyed this dinner. Then afterwards I just sort of chill and tidy up the plates and stuff, then move on to making some hot chocolate in my Christmas mugs, which I have absolutely been loving, and I like to add all the little trimmings, marshmallows, the lot. It just creates such a cozy vibe. And then yeah, literally just go and pop myself onto the couch and then tune into some Harry Potter. I'm currently on a Harry Potter marathon. Every Christmas it's like something that we do, so really love to do that, guys. And yeah, I just enjoy our hot chocolates, just chill, relax, and that is basically it for my festive night routine. I really hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys in my next one. Please don't forget to comment, share the video, like the video, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.